Hello, my name is Gladys Kivati. I am the lead consultant at Sustainable Business Consulting. What we do is we provide sustainability consulting and ESG advisory services. ESG stands for Environmental, Social and Governance, and I am the sustainability and ESG expert at the Sandbox. What we aim to do at the Sandbox is to support businesses to run and operate responsible businesses that are taking care of their employees, taking care of suppliers within value chains, as well as running environmentally conscious business. What does this mean? Businesses that through their products and services do not cause social harm or environmental harm out of business operations. Karibuni Sandbox.